category of Best Starter India, the nominees are Links for ENGG India, Findable Consulting, and Neosis Tech.
And ladies and gentlemen, the winner is Findable Consulting. Congratulations. Findable Consulting, a rapidly growing Odoo partner, began its journey in June 2024, so pretty recent, and quickly advanced from learning to silver partner. Originally a CA firm, the company has evolved into a finance tech and digital solutions provider. Within their first year, Findable successfully delivered 5+ implementations and onboarded 220+ Odoo enterprise users. With strong expertise in financial and operational modules, their responsive team is scaling the Odoo practice with a focus on quality delivery and long-term growth. Congratulations. If they are watching us from India, maybe. Probably.